Hi guys, today I will be explaining about how to use ChatGPT with voice command. So, with the help of my method, you will be able to use your voice command in the ChatGPT. So let's start it out. The first thing is, in the Google search bar, search for ChatGPT. Once you will search, you will see different website which will allow you to get access of GPT. So I will click on this option, OpenAI. Here you see introducing, click on the option log in, and now my account has been successfully logged in to the ChatGPT. Here I can write and can ask anything to the GPT. But like I said, I will use my command. So here you can see the icon of voice command. Click on it. Then GPT will allow you to use your voice instead of writing anything. So let me ask. With the help of my command, it's asking to allow, so I'll allow all. Now I ask to GPT to search for atomic, and if I click on this option, then you can see now it starts searching on my command. And here you will see all the results. So with the help of this, you can use your voice command instead of writing. And that's it.